Good morning, students. I hope that all of you are well and now online. As per routine, today I, Shomi sir, will take your mathematics class. Okay. At first, you have to put your response by sending me name and roll number. Okay. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about metric system of measurement. You will find it in your textbook chapter 8. Okay, before starting the subject matter, at first I am going to discuss about metric system of measurement. The metric system is primarily a system used for measuring length, volume, distance, temperature and weight. It relies on the three basic units through which anything in the world can be measured. That is, first one is meter. It is used for measuring length. Second one is kilogram, which is used for measuring mass, and the third one is seconds, which is used to measure time. The metric system of measurement was introduced in the year 1799. Over several years, this system has been lengthened to integrate many units, although numerous variants of this system originate in the late 19th and early 20th century. The term metric system is another word for SI or the International System of India. We have already completed exercise 8.1, 8.2 and lastly 8.3. Now go to the page number 104. In this page, exercise 8.4. Try to solve all these problems in this exercise at your home. That is, these are the homework for you. Today's time over, so today's class is over. Okay, if any problem, any doubt regarding this system conversion from one unit to another, then ask me frankly. All of you are doing very well. Okay, keep it up and try to solve all the problems in the exercise 8.4, and in my next class I will discuss about exercise 8. Okay, now look at the board. Here we see that length, units of length, kilometer, hectometer, decimeter, meter, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. If we want to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, then we have to multiply, and if we go to kilometer to hectometer, then multiply by 10. If we want to go hectometer to decameter, then we have to multiply 10. In this similar way, if we want to go from kilometer to meter, then 1, 2, 3, that is multiplied by 10 to the power 3, or we can write it as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just shifting decimal point to the right side. If we multiply 10 then 1 place, if we multiply by 1000 then 3 place. Okay, simply we can easily convert from bigger unit to smaller unit by multiplying 10 or multiplier of tens. Okay, in reverse process, if we want to get bigger units from smaller units, that is we want to convert meter to kilometer, or hectometer to kilometer, or decameter to hectometer, then we have to divide. For one step we have divide by 10, for two step we have to divide 10 square, that is 100. We have, if we want to convert meter into kilometer, then 1 2 3, so 10 cube, that is 1000. If we want to convert decimeter into kilometer, then 1 2 3 4, that is 10 to the power 4, that is we have to divide 10,000. Okay, by this method we can easily convert smaller unit to bigger unit to smaller unit by multiplying, and smaller unit to bigger unit by dividing. Okay.